机，飞机 plane， 飞机。我坐飞机去中国。I take a plane to China. 轿车 car， 轿车。妈妈每天开轿车。Mother drives a car every day. 卡车 truck， 卡车。他是一位卡车司机。He is a truck driver. 行，自行车 bike， 自行车。这辆红色的自行车真好看。This red bike looks nice. 拖，摩托车 motorbike， 摩托车。你会骑摩托车吗？ Can you ride a motorbike? 车，汽车 motor vehicle， 汽车。汽车站在对面。Bus station is across. 地铁 subway， 地铁真方便。Subway is really convenient. 船，轮船 ship， 轮船。轮船上有多少人？ How many people are there on the ship? 帆船 sailing boat， 帆船。你会开帆船吗？ Do you know how to drive a sailing boat? Thank you so much for learning transportation with me today. Thank you. 谢谢。I will see you next time.